Dance with him, Anthony.
Oh, hell no.
This is too funny. Talking about my friend Robert, he just texted me. You know Robert? He was, no, maybe not. Are you making a video?
Huh?
Are you making a video?
Yeah, but look how poor mine is.
Weird. That was scary. Anthony, ready to run away?
What?
He's scaring me.
Who?
You.
Who, me?
Ooh, Barbie Girl's next. Barbie Girl. I want to watch you dance to Barbie Girl.
No, this is the song that I was telling you about.
Oh,
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do.
what?
I know what I'm gonna do.
What's that?
I need my phone. I need a phone charger.
It's on the floor. It's plugged in too.
Y'all wanna know what we're gonna do?
Oh.
Since you wanna go on YouTube, I got something better. What is Kurt Walker and shit? You watch this too much.
No music videos for Chad anymore. Oh my god.
I love this music video. Oh, what'd you say, Barbie Girl?
I can tell. Yes, Barbie Girl. That'll go in my next video.